Welcome to our CK. What to say if someone insults you? Hey friends, sometimes it is hard to know what to say when someone insults you. If you're like me, then you will probably freeze up and remember the perfect comebacks. When I'm tucked in bed at the end of the day, well, that's not have to be the case anymore. Because below is a compilation of some smart things to say when someone insults you. So let's get started. Number 1. If your goal was to be hurtful, mission accomplished. So you are actually being very direct to a person and you're saying if you actually wanted to hurt me, your mission is accomplished because I feel sad for what you have just said. Number 2. Make sure you Google yourself before you judge me. Here is one comeback that is perfect for people who think their life's mission is to judge you. With a response like this, you will have them thinking twice before your name comes out of their mouth again. Number 3. My name must be tasty because it is always on your tongue. Everyone has haters, people who talk about them all time and try to show their personality in another light. Let them know that you can see their game plan from where you are. Number 4. You are like terms and condition. Everyone ignores them as well. When you buy a product, there are terms and conditions and you always ignore them. So here are you saying you're like them and I'm going to ignore you. Number 5. Are you born like that or trained by professionals? It's actually funny and you can use it with your friends. Number 6. Anyone who can tolerate you on a daily basis is a hero. We all have that person in our lives that make us wish we did not know them. Well, this is the perfect line to use if you want to communicate how hard it is to deal with them, even for a few minutes. Number 7. Best advice to you, stop being you. Because you are very rude person. Number 8. Do you need some sun? Because your behavior is nothing less than shady. Badly behaved people often do not know that they are behaving badly. But in the case that they know exactly what they are doing, this is the perfect comeback for them. Number 9. Sorry, I'm done for the day. It's very simple one that you don't have time for any drama that's going on around you. Number 10. I love the sound you make when you shut up. If you want to shut down a useless or senseless argument, then this is the line to use. Number 11. Keep talking, I'm diagnosing you. If the goal is to put someone on the spot and make them feel self conscious of everything they say, you can achieve that with this statement. Number 12. Hard to inform, but no one can Photoshop a face like yours. It means it's difficult for me to tell you, but I must say that you look so bad that it's hard to Photoshop you or your personality. Number 13. People like you should come with a warning label. If a person cannot find a compliment to pay another, then they really should come with some sort of disclaimer. I'm sure you agree. Let me know that their insults are an indication of their toxicity and that deserve some sort of warning upfront. Number 14. Hi there, I think I found your nose. It's borrowed in my business again. Again, if you want to tell someone to mind their own business, here is a colorful way to get it done. Number 15. I'm glad I have found an expert on my life. Please slow down while I take some notes. Sarcasm always hits the right spots, especially when delivered in cleverly delivered lines like these. So friends, I hope that this video gives you a little insight into how to put those bullies in their place. I would love to hear you take on the topic in the comment box below. What are some smart things to say when someone insults you? And don't hesitate to share this with someone who needs it. Take care, I will see you soon.